let's talk about a e-commerce system, how it is going to look like in a SOA architecture versus microservice architecture. Okay, so in a in a SOA architecture, imagine I'm a customer, I'm accessing a e-commerce application. Okay, so in the order management page, okay, when I check out order, so it is going to check to the inventory, right, whether I'm having the enough resources available for the particular product. Okay, if I have some less resources available, I can do a back order, and the back order make a call to a third party supplier who will be supply this things to me via the REST API. Okay, this is the inventory management. And then once the inventory, the order is available, it will take me to the payment gateway. The payment gateway will redirect to the third party payment provider, so where the customer will be making the payment. Once the payment is done, okay, it is going to complete the order placement, and it is going to call the shipping part, which is going to ship the send the shipping information to the third party postal service company. Okay, so this will be running, and all these data are stored in a centralized database, and from there the operations team read the data, and if they want to do any activities, they can do it. Okay, this is a typical monolithic SOA based application. Okay, the same thing when it is converted into a microservice application. So this is how it is going to look like. So the customer will be checking out the order in the shopping cart. The shopping cart will be calling the order placement microservice. So that order placement microservice will have the order information in a separate database. Okay, and this, once the order is completed, it is going to create an event to the orders message broker. Okay, that will be writing the data to the reporting DB. Okay, reporting service that will be writing the data to the reporting DB, that is OLAP DB. Okay, so during the order placement, first it will check for the inventory. So the inventory will check for inventory database and return the status. If the data is not available, okay, so it will push a inventory event to the stock MQ, and the stock MQ will call the supplier back order, which will order the third party supplier to fulfill the order. Okay, and this event is being sent to the reporting API, and that will be written to the OLAP. Okay, and then once the order is confirmed, okay, so the next it will call the payment gateway. It has its own payment database, so it will call the third party payment provider, and once the payment is done, okay, it will place the order event to the inventory. Okay, and then it will be sending the information to the consume event. Consume event will send the information to the shipping. Okay, and that will also updated in the reporting DB via the reporting service, and the shipping information will be stored in a separate consignment DB, and it will be sent to the third party postal service. Okay, if you see that this application has been divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 services. Inventory service to manage the inventory, order placement to track the complete order process, payment service to take care of the payment, and shipping push the shipping information to the postal service, and then reporting service to store the details so that the operations teams can come and read what happened on the particular order, and then supplier back order service to order the product with the third party supplier. Okay, so this is how a SOA based e-commerce application is converted into a microservice based e-commerce application.